Zendaya borrows Cate Blanchett's Armani dress. The 29-year-old wowed the crowd at the premiere of her film The Drama in Rome in Cate Blanchett's Armani privé dress. The actress wore the gown, featuring a deep V neckline and onyx stones, alongside co-star Robert Pattinson on the red carpet. Blanchett had previously worn the dress at the SAG Awards in 2022 and in Venice in 2025. According to Zendaya's stylist, it comes from Blanchett's personal archive. The glamorous black gown contrasts with her recent appearances in exclusively white dresses. In Paris, Zendaya had previously presented a white, wedding gown-like Louis Vuitton ensemble, and in LA, one from her own archive.